Meaning of industrial archaeology.
Industrial archaeology.
Industrial archaeology.
Industrial archaeology.
Industrial archaeology. Industrial archaeology is the study of material evidence of past industrial processes, structures, and sites. It looks at how technology, machinery, and production methods evolved over time and shaped society. The field involves surveying and recording industrial sites and artifacts, analyzing historical documents and materials, and interpreting the data to understand the social, economic, and technological context of industrial activity. Through this approach, industrial archaeology provides insight into the ways in which industry has transformed human life and the natural environment, and offers valuable information for preservation, conservation, and heritage management.